Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Home and Harmony, where we transform small spaces into stunning sanctuaries. Today, we're diving into eclectic small apartment bedroom makeovers that'll make your heart sing. I'm sharing bold, colorful design. Ideas that actually work in tiny spaces. No fantasy budgets required. These vibrant tips will help you create a bedroom that's uniquely you. If you're ready to fall in love with your space again, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly design inspiration that'll brighten your home and your day. Let's start with that free-spirited bohemian energy that makes small bedrooms feel like cozy retreats. Layer rich jewel tones like emerald greens, sapphire blues, and warm terracottas through throw pillows and blankets. Add macrame wall hangings above your bed for instant texture without taking up floor space. Include plants like pothos or snake plants in woven baskets to bring life into your room. The key is mixing natural materials with vibrant colors. Think rattan furniture paired with bright textiles that create depth and personality. Your headboard is prime real estate for making a statement in small spaces. Try a DIY fabric headboard using bold, patterned cloth stretched over a wooden frame. It's budget-friendly and completely customizable. Alternatively, create a painted, geometric design directly on the wall behind your bed using painter's tape for clean lines. For renters, removable wallpaper in vibrant prints works wonders. Consider hanging a large piece of tapestry or even vintage scarves arranged artistically. Remember, your headboard should reflect your personality while anchoring the room's color scheme. Lighting transforms everything, especially in small bedrooms where every element counts. Swap boring overhead fixtures for colorful pendant lights or a statement chandelier that draws the eye upward, making ceilings feel higher. Add string lights with colored bulbs for ambient mood lighting that cost practically nothing. Consider a vibrant table lamp with a patterned shade on your nightstand, or install wall-mounted sconces to save surface space. The goal is creating layers of light that highlight your colorful decor while making the room feel larger and more inviting. Rugs are game changers for defining spaces and adding warmth to small bedrooms. Choose bold patterns that incorporate multiple colors from your palette. This helps tie your entire room together beautifully. A vintage Persian-style rug in jewel tones can anchor your eclectic theme, while geometric patterns add modern flair. Don't be afraid to layer smaller rugs for added texture and visual interest. In tight spaces, place your rug partially under the bed with enough extending out for your feet to land on softness each morning. Transform one wall into a stunning focal point with removable wall decals or painted murals that won't damage rental walls. Tropical leaf patterns bring natural vibes, while geometric shapes add contemporary edge. For the artistically inclined, hand paint a simple mountain silhouette or abstract design using your room's color palette. Peel and stick wallpaper offers endless options from botanical prints to bold stripes. The key is choosing one wall, usually behind your bed, to prevent overwhelming your small space while creating maximum visual impact. The secret to successful pattern mixing is finding a common color thread that runs through different designs. Start with 3 patterns. One large scale, like a bold floral, one medium, such as stripes, and one small, tiny polka dots work great. Vary the scale, but keep colors consistent across patterns. Mix organic shapes with geometric ones for visual balance. Don't forget solid colors. They give your eyes a place to rest. Confidence is key here. Trust your instincts and remember that eclectic style celebrates the unexpected combinations that make you smile. Window treatments are often overlooked but pack serious style punch in small bedrooms. Choose curtains in vibrant solids or bold patterns that complement your room's palette. Hang them close to the ceiling and extend beyond window frames to create the illusion of larger windows and higher ceilings. For maximum impact, try layering, sheer panels underneath with colorful outer panels for privacy and light control. If your windows are small, choose lighter colors to reflect more light, or go bold with dark, dramatic colors for a cozy, cocoon-like feeling. Embrace sustainable design by transforming thrift store finds into colorful statement pieces. Paint an old dresser in a vibrant hue that matches your palette. Think coral pink or sunny yellow for instant happiness. Reupholster a vintage chair with bold fabric, or simply add colorful throw pillows to transform any seating. Wooden furniture takes paint beautifully. Try color blocking techniques where different drawers get different colors. Always prep surfaces properly and use quality. Paint for lasting results. These unique pieces become conversation starters while keeping your budget happy. Create visual drama with color blocking techniques that make small rooms feel intentionally designed. Paint the lower half of walls in a rich dark color and the upper half in a lighter shade, separated by chair rail molding or painter's tape for clean lines. Try vertical color blocks behind your bed using 2 complementary colors. For renters, removable wallpaper strips work perfectly. The key is maintaining balance. If you go bold on walls, keep furniture more neutral. This technique adds architectural interest and makes ceilings appear higher in compact spaces. Forget traditional gallery walls. Let's make yours pop with colorful frames and eclectic artwork. Mix frame colors like bright yellow, turquoise, and coral for instant personality. Include various art types, photography, prints, small mirrors, and even decorative plates. Create a template on paper first, then transfer to your wall for perfect placement. Include personal items like postcards or fabric swatches alongside purchased art. The key is maintaining consistent spacing between pieces while varying sizes and colors. This approach transforms blank walls into dynamic focal points that reflect your unique style. Your bed is the room's star, so dress it beautifully with layers of colorful textiles. Start with neutral sheets, then add a vibrant duvet or comforter in your favorite bold color. Layer throw blankets in complementary hues at the foot of the bed for texture and warmth. Mix pillow sizes and patterns. Combine solid colors with bold prints, varying textures from velvet to linen. Don't forget throw pillows on the floor for extra seating in small spaces. The layered look creates luxury, while keeping you cozy and comfortable year-round. Nightstands don't have to match. Embrace the eclectic spirit with mismatched pieces that complement your colorful theme. Use a vintage suitcase, colorful storage ottoman, or painted wooden crate as unconventional bedside storage. One side might feature a sleek modern piece while the other showcases a bohemian basket table. Ensure they're similar heights for visual balance, but different styles add personality. Paint existing nightstands in bold colors, or wrap them in removable wallpaper for instant transformation. Function matters too. Ensure adequate storage for bedtime essentials while maintaining your colorful aesthetic. Turn your favorite collections into room decor by displaying them thoughtfully throughout your bedroom. Group colorful books by spine color for rainbow effect on shelves. Display vintage cameras, ceramic figurines, or interesting bottles on floating shelves or dresser tops. Use colorful bowls or trays to corral smaller items like jewelry or coins. The key is editing. Choose your favorite pieces rather than displaying everything. Vary heights and group in odd numbers for visual appeal. Your collections tell your story while adding personal touches that make the space uniquely yours. Small decorative accents pack big personality punch in eclectic bedrooms. Add a colorful vintage mirror with an ornate frame, or group several small mirrors in different shapes and colors. Include quirky items like a bright ceramic elephant, colorful glass bottles, or a vintage rotary phone in an unexpected hue. Plants in colorful pots instantly brighten corners. Try succulents in painted terracotta pots. A colorful floor lamp or unique sculpture adds visual interest. Remember, these pieces should make you smile every time you see them while contributing to your room's overall color story. There you have it, design lovers. 15 amazing ways to create an eclectic, colorful bedroom that proves small spaces can have huge personality. Remember, the best rooms tell your story through the colors and pieces you love most. That's seal. Be afraid to experiment and trust your instincts. Your bedroom should be your happy place. Which idea excited you most? Drop a comment below and share your favorite tip. If this video inspired your next makeover, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. To Home and Harmony for more budget-friendly design magic delivered weekly. Until next time, keep creating spaces that make your heart sing.